The Smith & Wesson SWA-24S is a tactical folding knife designed for the rigors of EDC carry. Perfect for constant use. The 3.1-inch serrated 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel clip-point blade excels at slicing through just about any material. The black aluminum handle has strategically placed jimping and finger cutouts for a secure grip. Open the blade by way of the ambidextrous thumb knobs and the index flipper. This is the Smith & Wesson SWA-24S Extreme Ops Liner Lock Folding Knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
The M16 14SFG, designed by Kit Carson, has a high-carbon stainless steel blade with a non-reflective black titanium nitride finish. The 3.875-inch dual-grind blade has a Tonto tip, which is excellent for penetration, and exclusive patented VEF serrations, which offer exceptional cutting of fibrous materials. The G10 handles form an open-build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. For convenient carry, the knife has a 4-position clip. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment, and the dual hilt acts as a blade guard. The Special Forces G10 models have been specifically designed with features requested by military procurement specialists.
The Tenacious is the flagship of Spyderco's incredibly popular Value Folder series of knives. It proudly offers all the features and benefits that define a Spyderco Clip-It in an extremely affordable format. The heart of the design is its full flat ground blade, which is crafted from 8CR13 MOV stainless steel and includes a fully accessible trademark round hole for swift, ambidextrous one-handed opening. The blade is paired with an ergonomic handle constructed with full skeletonized stainless steel liners and peel-ply textured G10 scales. The skeletonized liners provide the foundation for its sturdy liner lock mechanism and also anchor its versatile 4-position pocket clip. In its standard configuration, the Tenacious sports a satin-finished blade and polished handle hardware. For tactical applications, it is also available with a black oxide blade coating and matching black-coated hardware. Both the satin and black blades are available in plain edge or combination edge, and the satin blade comes in a fully serrated spider edge format as well.